Columbia Taping Tools manufactures the finest automatic taping tools in the world. Our attention to detail, high quality, and ongoing commitment is second to none. When you purchase Columbia Taping Tools, you're buying a set of tools that will last through years of dependable operation and are supported by our industry-renowned customer support. When Columbia Taping Tools are used, not only will taping and finishing be completed faster and with superior finishes, you'll do it in less time and with less effort. The first step is proper preparation. Drywall mud should be mixed fairly thin and smooth. The mud for horizontal flat joints should be thicker than mud for angles. Once the mud is at the desired consistency, attach pump handle and prime Columbia mud pump. Attach handles to the appropriate tools. The box filler attachment is used for filling flat boxes, corner finisher boxes, and nail spotters. The Columbia automatic taper is at the heart of the taping system. The tape is easy to load. Remove the retain spring and place the tape on the spindle. Replace wire. Pull the tape toward the head, giving a quarter turn so that the buffed side is toward the machine. Slide it into the guide. Push the tape up the channel until it's 1/2 inch past the needle. Lift the hand grip to raise the needle and feed the tape through and out the head of the machine. When the tape appears over the drive wheels, pull down on the hand grip to cut the tape and check the blade is making a clean cut. The adjustable brake sets the desired tension and prevents the tape drum from reversing. Use the gooseneck attachment for filling the Columbia taper. Pump the handle 4 or 5 times until joint compound is visible at the end of the gooseneck. This prevents air from being pumped into the taper. Push the mud gate lever down to the closed position. This closes the gate and releases the clutch. Insert the taper nozzle into the gooseneck fitting. Place your foot on the footpad of the pump and begin pumping. Place your free hand at the taper opening to check the fill progress. It'll take 8 to 9 pumps of the handle to fill the taper. Once full, lift the mud gate lever to the open position. Prime the taper by winding the main drive until mud is seen on the tape. The taper is now ready for taping. The taper applies the tape and the exact amount of mud as one to the joint. Once the run is completed, a short hand movement cuts the tape. It is important to stop 3 inches from the end of the joint. Cut the tape, release hand grip, finish the joint. Excess cement on flat joints is removed using a conventional long-handled knife. Next, it's the corner angles. When taping corners, the creaser wheel is used to push the tape into the corner angle. The creaser wheel is conveniently operated by a lever at the base of the taper. Just like flat joints, cut 3 inches from the end of the joint, release, and finish. Taping closets gives rise to special techniques. Usually, closets are not deep enough to enable taping the front angles in the normal way. With the taper on the floor, pull tape from the taper and place it into the bottom angle by hand. Then push taper to the top of the joint. The next tool to be used is the corner roller. This precision-made tool embeds the tape perfectly into the angle, leaving the exact amount of mud on the tape. This prepares the corner for the next tool, the 3-inch angle head. The angle head spreads the excess cement and leaves a finely feathered edge to the joint. The nail spotters used in the base coat application are offered in 2 or 3-inch sizes and are designed to fill screw head and nail depressions. The nail spotter can be used before or after taping. As with all the tools in the Columbia range, a consistently high quality of finish is achieved. This ensures that a minimum amount of sanding is required. Once the cement dries, lightly sand. The joints are now ready for the flat finisher. The adjustable stainless steel blades provide the exact amount of joint cement required to evenly finish the flat joints. With various lengths of fixed or extendable handles, this tool can be used on vertical, horizontal, and ceiling joints. The flat box's unique design eliminates crowning and therefore greatly reduces the sanding process. The flat joints receive their second and last glaze coat, but this time with the larger 10 or 12-inch flat finisher. Apply final glaze coat to corners using the corner finisher box coupled with a corner finisher. This superbly engineered tool molds the cement into a finely feathered edge so fine that it is almost transparent at its thinnest point. At Columbia Taping Tools, our goal is to provide you the best in value, performance, durability, price, and service. Our service and replacement program is second to none. When you purchase a tool from Columbia, you get a 5-year limited warranty backed by 25 years in the drywall industry. Columbia Taping Tools. Quality, value, innovation.